Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a hippogriff from the Harry Potter movie series. So to start off with our hippogriff, we want to begin up here and we want to make the face. So I'm going to start off by drawing a small circle for an eye. Then I'm going to draw a little line above it and a little line below it. Then the center of it, I'm just going to add a little circle, or a little dot. So first we want to draw the head. So I'm going to draw a line that comes up here like this, and it's going to go up at an angle. Then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down like this, and then it's going to come back like that. Then I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes right around it. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves up here and then comes down like that. Now right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down like this. And then I'm going to make a small dot for the nose. Then I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to draw this line up a little bit more, and then I'm going to curve it back for a feather. Then I'm going to start in here and I'm going to do the same thing. And then I'm just going to keep adding some of these feathers, kind of going down here at an angle. Next, I'm going to come back up here to the beak and I'm just going to draw a shape like that just to kind of finish off the beak. And then I'm going to come up here and I'm just going to draw a few of these curved lines just to kind of show where the face is. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and then curves out. And then I'm going to add some of these little zigzag lines on here for some feathers. Then I'm going to come back here, I'm going to add a few more of these little feather lines, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and then it's going to slowly kind of curve up a bit. Now, before I go any farther, I want to draw the wing. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves around. And I'm going to go all the way past this line back here. Then I'm going to come up here, and I'm just going to draw another line, and it's just going to meet back here with this one, like that. Then I'm going to add a few extra feathers along the edge here. Then I'm going to put a few more in between all these. Then I'm going to add a few more lines down here. And then we want to make the leg. So to draw the leg, I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down like this. And I'm going to draw one toe like that. Then I'm going to start up here and I'm going to make a smaller toe right there. And then I'm just going to curve this around and make the big toe in the back. Then I'm going to start drawing this line up, and when I get about halfway, I'm going to go out and then come back in, and then go back out like that. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then down, and then curve like that. Then I'm going to just kind of curve around here for one toe. Then I'm going to curve around here for another toe. Then I'm going to go up and then come back up here for that foot, or that leg, I should say. Then I'm going to add another bump right here just to show that there's another toe. Then I'm just going to curve this line down and bring it back up into the wing. Now, I'm going to add some really sharp claws onto the end of this hippogriff's foot. Kind of like really sharp, like eagle talons. I'm going to put some here as well. Now, the back of the hippogriff looks a lot more like a horse. So, I'm going to curve this line right down here to finish it off. And then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to come back in like that. Then I'm going to come in a little bit, and then I'm going to go straight across, and then I'm going to curve up and around like this. And then I'm just going to draw a line that comes down. Then I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes same way with the curve. And it's going to go down like that. Then I'm going to go over, up, come in, and just go right up to there. Then I'm just going to draw a little line down like that for the other hoof. Now for the tail. So to start the tail, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that kind of curves out like this. And then I'm going to draw another line that's going to curve down to the wing. Then I'm going to curve this down. I'm just going to add some spikes on the end of it to make it look like fur. Now we have the basic shape of our hippogriff, but we want to add a few details. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to draw a little line that kind of curves down and goes up like that because they kind of have like that stern look on their face. And then I'm going to add some more of these little feather lines in a few places. Then on here, I'm going to make some curved lines like this for some more feathers on the wing. I'm going to make some of these different sizes. And they're all going to be kind of pointing towards the tip of the wing. Add a few extra lines like that. Then on the tail, I'm going to add some of these long lines that come off here. And then I'm going to add some real long lines back here to show that there's some fur on the back of their feet. Then I'm going to add a few extra lines onto the legs. Just like that. Then I might put a few more feather lines around here. And add just a few more lines kind of right around here. You can always add a couple lines around the beak. And there you go, there's your drawing of a hippogriff from the Harry Potter movies. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.